The LEVOIT Vital 100 guarantees you never have to go without clean air. 3 stages of filtration capture a wide variety of pollutants, including pet furs, household odors, and 99.97% of airborne contaminants as small as 0.3 microns. The advanced motor's accelerated airflow packs a punch, rapidly refreshing the air within a room over 3 times per hour. Its compact design easily covers mid-sized rooms without cluttering the space or making too much noise. Adjust fan speeds and set timers with the one-touch display. The Vital 100 capably meets the needs of your environment. The washable pre-filter helps extend the lifespan of all 3 filters, so you can go longer without needing a replacement. The LEVOIT Vital 100. Revitalize your air.